Alright guys, so our plan for this trip is we are crossing the Canada and now we are currently in the Philippines for transferring, and we're gonna be at the Vancouver for one day, and we're gonna take a train, the Via Rail, and then we're gonna go to the Jasper and Banff, and then we're gonna take a train again, and then we are going to the Toronto and the Montreal or Quebec or something, and we are basically doing the train travel in Canada. So let's go together. For 3 weeks we are gonna trip together, and then he's one of my best friends. One sec. Let me show him. Hi.
Hi guys. Don't tell me.
What are you
cleaning.
doing? Why are you cleaning?
I'm just. It's my family business. I'm in charge of it.
Yeah, he's working now, and it's freaking 3 a.m. We're about to go sleep. Say bye to my subscribers.
Bye.
Bye guys. So we're finally here at the 인천공항. Now we are morning 6:05 now.
Are you tired?
A little bit. You're not tired?
I'm a little bit tired, but not so much. I can handle it.
You can handle it. I can handle it. Okay, so see you guys on plane, maybe. So hey guys, that was so long trip. Like we are currently in a Philippines, and it's so humid.
We're having a stopover in here, Manila.
Super humid and super hot, and so many people are traveling now. How was your flight?
My flight was quite comfortable, you know. But the food was great.
Food was great. Anyway, we are in Manila now, and see you at the Vancouver then. Bye. So we are still in Manila airport, and then we literally did the baggage check like at least like 6 times. It's just crazy. Like, so we got so sick of that, and we're so hungry now, so we are eating
We're about to eat some local food
but we don't even know the name.
It was a 닭갈비.
We don't even know the name. So we got
Let's give it a shot.
Like something like weird like pork and the chicken and pork mixed, and like really huge dumpling kinda. Why the Philippine airport? They're so strict, you know? And so many times custom, like baggage check. How many times we did like
Try it. It's too salty. It's really salty. That's the reason they gave us really a lot of rice here.
Okay, salty한데? So this is the chicken.
It's salty than 김수미의 간장게장. 밥도둑.
This is chicken, and I'm gonna give it a shot. 와, 근데 소금 보여?
추천해준 거 많은데.
Like, this is super. 와, 진짜 따가. Wait, but we have dumpling. Okay,
That's right.
dumpling.
오.
확실한데?
That's great.
Right. 이거 맛있겠다.
뭐야?
Cheers.
아 이거만 안 땄어.
어? Paper here. 아, 정말 paper 먹으면 되나? This is. 아, 대박. 어쩔 수 없다. 난 먹었다. I already ate.
And see the bright side. The paper has many 식이섬유.
Yeah, oh, and also paper is from wood. 근데 맛있다 이거. 맛있다. 괜찮네. 아무튼 결론은 제 생각에는 요거는 don't buy. But this one, dumpling, that's kind of okay.
If you guys happen to visit Manila Airport and just get this dumpling,
Happen to visit.
I mean it.
아무튼 빨리 먹으러 가겠다. 나는 마저 다 먹었어. 아.
Bye.